Whispering winds calling softly, returning home. Footsteps on the earth where I belong. Lost in the city's endless glow, chasing dreams but feeling low. Skyline shadows, concrete's grip, yearning for the mountain sip. Leave behind the noise and haste, find my way to sacred grace. Reconnect, reborn anew, back to roots I run to you. Nature's embrace, my guiding light. Open hearts in pure delight. All of life, both big and small. In your arms I find it all. Return to roots, escape the fray, where the trees and rivers sway. Love for all, in every view. Nature calls me back to you. Whispering leaves and rising streams, healing wounds from shattered dreams. Breathe in deep the earth's sweet song, where I've belonged all along. So here I stand beneath the sky, feeling free. I wonder why we lost our way, so far from you, but now I return, pure and true.